Most of us think it's the makeup on your face that's leading into breakouts, but it is actually you removing the makeup ineffectively. I have a few steps that I follow whenever I have a heavy full coverage foundation on my face. So I start with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil on dry skin. You should not be putting water on your face because this way the cleansing balm or the oil will not be able to melt the waterproof products. We usually put on waterproof mascara, eyeliner. There are a lot of matte lipsticks that stain heavily. So you should be using cleansing balm or a cleansing oil directly on dry skin. Massage that cleansing balm or oil on your face at least for a good 1 minute. When you've melted all that makeup, take a few drops of water and emulsify your cleansing balm or oil. Once you've done this for a few seconds, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Then comes your double cleansing step, which is your water-based cleanser or a foaming cleanser. Use this cleanser in circular motion for about 40 to 60 seconds and then again rinse it off. So this third step is additional and I feel very satisfying doing this step. I usually take micellar water on a cotton pad and gently wipe my skin to see if there are any traces of makeup. In case there are traces of makeup, do not worry, the micellar water removes it. Then you do a final water rinse and then pat your face dry. I usually use hydrating toner and then go ahead with a thicker moisturizer. Sometimes if I feel like pampering myself, then I go on with a sheet mask or a sleeping mask. But if you're somebody who's wearing makeup on a daily basis, for obvious reasons, we cannot follow all these steps daily. It is very time consuming and you're not going to be consistent with this. So at least do the double cleansing, which is non-negotiable. Don't use actives on the days you have heavy makeup on. You should be using a hydrating moisturizer and you can go to bed after that. Also, do not forget your hairline when you're removing makeup, because when you're trying to cleanse, there are a lot of residues that goes into the hairline and most of us forget to clean the hairline. So please take a wet wipe or a wet cloth and gently wipe along the hairline. You can also do this with that cotton pad with micellar water. Wipe along the hairline, because what I have seen most of the time is the client is removing the makeup effectively, doing double cleansing, all of it is done, but there is acne along the hairline, and sometimes this is not even because of the scalp health, and this is the usual cause for it. So make sure your hairline is also clean once you remove the makeup. Like, subscribe and click on that notification bell.